I'm right here, baby.
That's okay, Mom. When I screwed up, it will go there.
Zoe, where are you? Who's in there?
Mommy.
Oh, I see Zach. Where's Zoe?
He's right behind me. Here you go.
Oh, there you are.
Look up. Mommy's up here.
Where? Where's your face?
I get.
Oh, there it is. You guys fell down the steps.
Hello?
You're silly. All right, let her out.